welcome back to my channel Dad's Garage. Today I am going to show you Yamaha RX100 motorcycle, which was distributed in India by Escort. Today, this bike has been modified into an off-road model at our Dad's Garage. A very special person in my life, my daddy. He is the creator and maker of all modified bikes and the owner of EBS Customs. Daddy.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, friends.
Daddy, tell me something about this bike.
The fabrication done on this bike is totally converted into a metal body from the plastic parts, especially the toolbox, mudguards, and the specially made fairing. Let me show you the 360 view of the motorcycle. Come on, guys. Check the mudguards, an off-road shaped mudguard with a LED headlamps and a metal fairing with a tire of 110, 19, 18 with the front suspension KTM. We have customized the tank shape little bit smaller than the original one, and the engine cover. You can check the special silencer which has been taken from inside, and it comes from out from the rear seat. And check the toolbox, which is totally handmade. Check the rear portion, custom made bracket, tail light bracket, and the tail light lights. The rear suspension and the seats, and this seat is specially made by us with the LED strip in it. Check the air filter fitted in a very unique way, and the belly, engine belly. Check the digital meter and handle with a riser. Leather grip covers stitched by us. The levers, copper plating. Chrome plated engine covers to both the side. The rear tire is also used of the same front tire with 110, 90, 18. Finally, check the premium paint quality of the bike which has been used, and the air brushing done on the petrol tank, which gives the enhanced look to the motorcycle.
Thank you, Daddy, for giving us such a nice specification of this bike.
Welcome, my son. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel, The Dad's Garage. Thank you.